How to fix Instagram incorrect password problem. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let's get started. First thing first, if you are facing that problem, you have to make sure that your Instagram application is updated. So head over to your Play Store. In here, simply search for Instagram. If your application shows update, tap on update and update your app. Once you're done, launch your Instagram. And now here you have to type in your username and your password. You have to be very careful while you are typing your username, and under password, you have to make sure that you are not mistaking 0 for O or O for 0. Also make sure that you are not capitalizing any word that is not supposed to be capitalized. And once you all make sure this, you have to tap on login. Likewise, if your password is definitely correct, you will surely get logged into your Instagram account. If not, you can also tap on forgot password here. Here you can either search your account via your email or phone number. Click on to continue. And at the next page, you can simply create yourself a new password once you configure that it's you. Just like so guys, that is how you can do it. Thank you for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.